We continue our COVID-19 North Dakota watch this morning with big news from Governor Doug Burgum. At Monday's daily briefing, Burgum said he expects to let the businesses that are currently closed per his executive order make their own decisions whether or not to reopen this Friday, May 1st. He said businesses that reopen will be expected to meet the Phase 1 rules and guidelines regarding hygiene and distancing. He listed the 8 pieces of criteria for the ND Smart restart and marked the 6 items that appear to be in good shape. You see those on your screen here. The 2 that aren't checked are currently in the works. Phase 1 standard operating procedures will be discussed at today's briefing. And protection for vulnerable populations is underway with the ND Smart VP3 that Burgum rolled out last week. Governor Burgum said if a COVID outbreak happens at any business similar to the one at LM Wind Power in Grand Forks, the state will act accordingly. And that takes us to our question of the day, which you can find on Facebook at KX News and KX News Minot. What do you think of Governor Burgum's decision to reopen businesses this weekend under new guidelines? And 19% of you are saying great news, while 17% are still not sure, and 64% are saying too soon. Now we'll look at the coronavirus case numbers in our state. 2 deaths were reported over the weekend, a man in his 90s and a woman in her 80s, both from Cass County. Health officials reported yesterday that 2 more individuals have died from the virus. 2 Cass County men, both in their 80s with underlying health conditions. That brings North Dakota's total number of coronavirus-related deaths to 19. The Department of Health reported 75 new positive cases of COVID-19 yesterday, bringing the overall total of positive cases in the state to 942. On a positive note, 350 people are now considered recovered from the virus, meaning there are currently 573 active cases right now, and 23 coronavirus patients are currently in the hospital. To follow our COVID-19 North Dakota watch for the latest on coronavirus in our state, visit our website. That's kxnet.com.